Welcome, design lovers. Today, we're stepping into the enchanting world of French country style, where muted olive tones, soft cream shades, vintage treasures, and upcycled pieces come together in harmony. Whether you love DIY projects or collecting antique gems, this guide will help you create spaces filled with understated elegance. Don't forget to engage with us. We'd love to see your own French country inspirations. French country style is all about authenticity, heritage, and refined rustic charm. Picture aged timber beams, natural fabrics, and subtle floral patterns. Every detail tells a story. The blend of olive and cream mirrors the quiet beauty of the countryside, while antique touches add character. This design is more than visual. It feels warm, lived in, and endlessly welcoming. Olive tones evoke calm and natural scenery, while cream brings light and soft sophistication. Together, they create the perfect balance, cozy yet airy, rustic yet elegant. Whether used on walls, furniture, or fabrics, this palette forms the foundation of a true French country atmosphere. This style thrives on the joy of discovery. Antique shops, flea markets, and thrift stores are goldmines for weathered frames, old books, and worn pottery. Look for pieces that show natural aging and genuine wear. These imperfections add soul and authenticity to your space. You don't need new furniture. An old cabinet can be transformed with olive chalk paint. A rustic basket can become charming storage. Upcycling is sustainable, and adds personal history to your home. These projects make your space uniquely yours. To achieve that signature French country patina, try gentle sanding on corners, layering cream beneath olive, or finishing with soft wax. Distressing should be subtle, just enough to hint at age. Let the wear look natural, as if time created it. Textiles bring life and warmth to French country interiors. Think natural linen curtains, vintage-style cushions, and delicate table runners in olive and cream tones. Mix materials, rough linen with soft cotton. Toss a heritage throw on a chair and instantly create a cozy cottage feel. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Style it with olive ceramics, cream stoneware, and aged wooden boards. Open shelves displaying mismatched dishes add charm. You can even stencil French words onto tea towels for a personal touch. Each detail contributes to a refined countryside atmosphere. Ambience is everything. Choose vintage-inspired fixtures, weathered metal lanterns, or modernized antique lamp bases. Cover plain lampshades with provincial fabrics for a custom feel. Soft, warm lighting instantly transforms a room into a sunlit corner of rural France. Finish with dried flowers in aged vases and carefully chosen vintage accents. you now have the foundation to create French country magic using olive, cream, and vintage elements. So start exploring, visit markets, try simple DIYs, and make it your own. Every piece you choose adds to your story. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to share your French country transformations. Until next time, happy decorating.